Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy an Amazon Prime subscription quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Amazon Prime application on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. And if you're not, go ahead and enter your login details to sign in. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. From there, tap on the settings option. This will take you to a new page where you'll see the option labeled My Account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now inside the My Account section, you will see another option that says Manage Account. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to view all your current memberships and subscriptions, including any past purchases if you've subscribed before. If you're new to Amazon Prime or your subscription has expired, you will see an option to start a new membership. Since I have a free trial available, I'll tap on the Start a Free Trial option. If you don't have a free trial left, you can directly purchase a plan. To complete the purchase, you'll need to enter your payment details. Simply select your preferred payment method, enter your card details, and confirm the subscription. Amazon usually offers multiple plans, such as a monthly or annual subscription, so choose the one that works best for you. Once you've completed the payment process, your Amazon Prime subscription will be activated, and you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits, including Prime Video, free shipping on Amazon orders, and more. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video,